Meteor Dale's Adventure and Travel's latest challenge is to do every railway service in the UK over many, many years. Please enjoy watching. Avanti West Coast coming in from London. This train reminds me a bit of the Class 150s in the northern. There we are. So now going on to Glasgow Central to Paisley Canal. It's a very short journey, about 20 minutes. And behind me you can see the 200-year train. I must say ScotRail seems very reliable so far. If this was other areas of the UK, there'd be cancellations, all sorts going on. But so far all the trains have been very punctual. Now this sounds different to the 380s, much more low tone. And there's the River Clyde. Quite dull today, it's anticyclonic weather. So you got a week of dry weather, not much wind. Yeah, it's the windows open on these trains, so it's not air conditioned. First time I've been on one of these. Just branched off the West Coast main line as we turn to the west, following the M8. I've already been from Reims Bay and today, so it's following a similar route so far. But just before Drumbeck it turns off to the left. Listen to that sound. Nice paintings on the wall. Comet Steamship and Reims Base Station. Nice to have art on the walls. Just after the depot branch off to the left. Here we go. That's the line to Ayr on the right. So it goes into single track soon.
We are now approaching Dumbreck. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train.
So here's Drumbeck Station. Nobody getting off and nobody getting on.
This is Dumbreck. This train is for Paisley Canal. The next stop is Corker Hill.
Sounds like the London Underground, the way it accelerates. Quite interesting. bit like tram stations, these.
This is Moss Park. This train is for Paisley Canal. The next stop is Crookston.
Crookston. There's the old platform. And now semi-urban area and a golf course.
We are now approaching Oakhead. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train.
So the next stop is Paisley Canal.
We are now approaching Paisley Canal. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train.
End of the line.